Welcome in computer class, students. Today we are going to learn our third lesson, algorithm development and introduction. If you want to interact with a person, you must know the language that he or she understands. Similarly, to interact with the computer, you must know the language that computer understands. A computer does not understand human language. It is only understand the computer language, the languages of zeros and one. Suppose you want to communicate with your new friend, but the problem is this: he is only able to speak English language and another friend only Hindi language. Is this possible to communicate both of them? No. So they both of need a common friend knows the both language, Hindi as well as English. He can interpret or the translate in both language to communicate. That is called machine language. A program is a set of instructions written in a computer language that is given to a computer to accomplish some task or to solve some problems. So what is exactly program? It is a set of rules to follow a specific or a particular task. A program is nothing but a stepwise solution to a given problem. The term algorithm describes the method of doing a task. An algorithm is the first step in the developing a program. When you tell the computer what to do, you also have to specify how to do it and in what order to do it. And this can be done using an algorithm. An algorithm is a set of precise rules for accomplishing a task or for solving a problem. To understand the algorithm, we'll take a simple example from your day-to-day life, that how to make a mug of hot coffee. So algorithm for the making a mug of hot coffee: start, boil water, prepare a mug, put a teaspoon of a coffee and sugar in that, pour the hot water, stir and end. Now moving forward to examples given in your book. First example will take an algorithm to go to school. First step is get up in the morning. Second step, have breakfast. Third step, wear the uniform. Fourth step, sit in the school bus. And fifth step, reach to school. Second example, an algorithm to find the telephone number of a Kiran from your telephone diary. First step, go to the page that has name begin with the letter K. Second step, look for KI. Step number 3, look for KIR. Step number 4, look for KIRA. Step number 5, look for Kiran, KIRAN. Step number 6, note the telephone number, and seventh one, dial the number. Now let's show this process in the form of a diagram. It means flowchart. So first of all, we should begin with the terminal symbol. Then search the diary. In the parallelogram you should write. Then decision is the find the Kiran, number of Kiran, that you should write in the diamond box. Then process, note the telephone number. We should write it in a rectangle form. Then dial the number. It is also the process. Here in a diagram, diamond box find Kiran has two options. Yes is going down and no again it going top. It means if you not find the Kiran number, you have to search diary again. At end, you should end the flowchart with the terminal symbol. So this is how we can write the algorithm by step wise, and we can draw the flowchart.